Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 10th, video number 83, areas related to circles, section A, easy. Let's start. Problem is, if the difference between the area of the regular hexagonal plot and area of the circular swimming tank circumscribed in it is 26.705 square meters, find the radius of the circular swimming tank. See here, firstly understand the problem. See, this is a hexagon and this is a circle. In this, firstly the problem should have been inscribed in it, because what is inscribed and what is circumscribed? When the circle touches the vertices, it is called as circumscribed. When it touches the sides, it is known as inscribed. So the word should be inscribed. Okay, let's move on. See here, what is given? The area of this darker portion is given, and we want the radius of this circle. Okay, for that what we'll do is area of the shaded portion is what? 26.705. Okay, so area of the hexagon is what? See here, remember the two formulae. Area of hexagon is 3 root 3 upon 2 into side square, and height of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 into side. See, these two formulas would be useful for you. The hexagon is formed with what? 6 equilateral triangles. So these are 6 equilateral triangles, right? Now what is the height of equilateral triangle? Root 3 by 2 into side. Now this hexagon is formed with 6 equilateral triangles, right? So height of the triangle is what? But see this, radius of the circle. How? See this, look at this figure neatly. Height of this triangle is radius of this circle. So what we get? R equals to root 3 by 2 into side, right? So S equals to side of the triangle is what? 2R upon root 3, right? Okay. So area of hexagon is what? 3 root 3 by 2 into side square, right? But what is... To watch the videos further, kindly download YourGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.